All right, y'all, this is question number 14 out of 7.5. And it says to give the exact value of the expression without using a calculator. All right, let's see if we can do this. So I'm going to start by looking at the insides here. Okay, so the first thing is we have the tangent inverse of negative 12 over 5. Y'all, what I'm going to say is that what that means, y'all, is the tangent of some angle A is going to be negative 12 over 5, okay? So, y'all, first thing I want to notice is because this thing here is negative, when I think about my tangent, y'all, my range is between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2. So I'm looking at two quadrants, y'all. I'm looking at quadrant 1 and I'm looking at quadrant 4, okay? And we're looking within these two quadrants here, right? So, y'all, when I come back over here, since the tangent is negative, remember, y'all, the tangent is the y over the x, right? So the y over the x. Since my tangent is negative, y'all, I have to assume that my y is negative 12 and my x is positive 5. So what I want to do, y'all, I'm going to draw a picture, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to call this my angle A. And we know that our y value is a minus 12 and our x value is a 5. Y'all, what I want to do, I want to find the value of r. Okay, so that's going to be 5 squared plus negative 12 squared, 25 plus 144, square root of 169, that's going to be 13. So my r here, guys, is going to be 13, okay? All right, I'm also going to look, y'all, at the inverse tangent of 4/3. Okay, so, sorry, trying to get my pen to work here. 4/3. So, y'all, what that's telling me is that the tangent of some angle B is 4 over 3, okay? So, y'all, this is my y, and this is my x. So, again, y'all, since my inverse tangent goes between negative pi over 2 and pi over 2, since we're positive, we're going to assume that we're in the first quadrant. So, y'all, I'm going to draw an angle and call this angle B. And we know that this is 4 and this is 3, and we want to see if we can find a value of r. So, y'all, I'm going to say r is equal to 3 squared plus 4 squared. That's 9 plus 16. That's the square root of 25. So my r here is going to be 5, okay? Okay, so, y'all, let's do this. If I'm looking at my cosine of these two parts, y'all remember that's my A and that's my B. So guys, right here, we got our formula. So the cosine of A plus B is cosine of A, cosine of B, minus the sine of A and the sine of B, okay? So let's come back here. Cosine of A. So, y'all, my cosine is my x over my hypotenuse. So that's 5 over 13, okay? My cosine of B, that's going to be my x over my hypotenuse, 3 over 5, okay? Minus my sine of A. Sine of A is going to be my y value, negative 12 over 13, negative 12 over 13. Sine of B is going to be 4 over 5, okay? All right, so, y'all, right here, I'm ending up with a 15 over 65. Minus and minus is going to be plus 48 over 65, okay? So 15 and 48, y'all, should be something like 63. So I'm coming up with 63 over 65, y'all. And if I come back this way, let's see, and let's type in a 63 over a 65, and we hit enter, and we got it, okay? So again, that was number 14 out of 7.5.